Power on. Click Prepare. Filament. Retract. OK. The filament cannot be pulled out after unloading. Use wire cutters to cut the filament. Power off. Unplug the power cord. Unscrew the screws to loosen the nozzle bus fixing block. Remove the fan cover unscrew to M3 fixing screws. Disconnect the model cooling fan wiring. Disconnect the wiring. Cut the cable tie. Disassemble the extruder assembly. Unscrew 3 screws. Remove the extruder kit unscrew to long screws. Press the lever to open the extruder kit. Unscrew 1 short screw. Use pliers to cut the stuck filament in the middle and remove it. Press the extruder lever and install the gear. Install the motor. Tighten to screws. Install the motor. Tighten to screws. Install the extruder assembly. Tighten 3 screws. Secure the wiring with cable ties. Connect the wiring. Insert Teflon tube. Install the fan cover. Tighten to M3 fixing screws. Tighten screws to secure the Teflon tube fixing block. Insert power cord, power on. Insert filament. Click Prepare. Filament. Extrude. OK. Observe whether feeding is smooth. Click Retract. Click Settings. Self-check. Select All and start the test. Wait for the device self-check to complete.
Enter the Wiki official website to find more information.